Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs. Welcome Sydney's most iconic 24/7 cafe, restaurant and function center, the City Extra. A true Sydney Harbour experience with uninterrupted views of the Sydney ferries, Harbour Bridge and all the other landmarks on Sydney Harbour. A short walk to the Sydney Opera House, Museum of Contemporary Art, the Rocks and countless galleries and many other attractions. Please like, share and subscribe. Found customers asking to be able to eat at any time for a full menu, so they went to 24-hour trading and made every menu item available at any time of the day or night. This menu and trading style suited the far more complex lifestyle of Sydneysiders, deciding to cater for everyone. So whether you are a shift worker, hospital employee, nightclub staff, student, opera goer, office worker, police officer, or ambulance driver, there is always a place to get the meal you want and when you want it. Wanting to be a 24-hour meeting place that was always busy, the word city best described them. Adding the word extra best covered the vision of fresh bread and all those wonderful smells of meals made from fresh ingredients on the premises of daily flexible dining and always being open. Please do watch our other Sydney, Australia vlogs. Have you had the chance to visit Sydney, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Thank you for watching.